Hello everyone, this is Wajahat, TikTok growth strategist and founder of Adreach agency, which is an exclusive partner of Ecom Media. Ecom Media is TikTok agency and TikTok marketing partner in Vietnam. Over the years, I have helped countless D2C brands and Shopify Plus partners to scale their TikTok ad spend from 4-figure to 7-figure per month. In this video, I will walk you through to the exact process on how to create your own TikTok agency account through Adreach agency. So many people think about, can we target worldwide through agency account? So the answer is yes. So you can target 70 plus countries, which includes Algeria, Panama, Pakistan, United States, Canada, Australia, Azerbaijan, and many more. Adreach will take care of everything like approvals, onboarding, any support you need, or any help you need with the TikTok ads. Even after your account get approved, we will create an exclusive WhatsApp group for you where our team will be available to assist you with the TikTok agency account or with the TikTok ads so that you can boost your revenue through TikTok ads through our agency account. Let's get back to the main topic. What we will cover in this video. So the first point is how to register and verify your account on Adreach platform. The second one is how to top up your balance for ad spend. So the third point is how to create TikTok ad account. The fourth and the last point is how to transfer your funds from your wallet balance to your ad account. So let's get started. So here's my landing page where you can find all of the relevant information related to TikTok agency account. So if you want to join our WhatsApp group, so you can click on it and you will be redirected to our WhatsApp group where our team will be available to support you. So make sure to join our WhatsApp group as well. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find out our what's the perks of partnering with Adreach agency. We got support and all, so you can read all the stuff. And the next point is why partner with us. As explained before, you can target 70 plus countries to Adreach agency account. These are some countries which we have listed it, so you can target over 70 countries. So here here's the video. You can watch again. What's the process? So here you can find why people partnered with Adreach agency. So here you can find the difference that what other agencies are offering, which Adreach doing. So here's the thing, and you can find my profile as well. And if that's the important section, and I would highly recommend audience to read this FAQs as well before you register your agency account. So the question is there any cost for creating agency account? So the answer is no. There is no such cost for creating agency account, but by using agency account, definitely there's a cost linked. So once you click on this, so you will find the pricing structure, what's the payment structure, and what we recommend to use it. So basically, in terms of the trial, what is 14 days trial? So in 14 days trial, you can create only one ad account. And in terms of the pricing, it's around the pricing has been reduced during your trial period. And after your trial ends, you will be charged around 6% if you talk about the USDT, and you can create another ad account. It means you can create up to 2 ad accounts, and the pricing would definitely increase. So that's the pricing structure. And in terms of the I would say what's the reason why ad account gets suspended. So these are the policies, I would say mainly reasons why ad account gets suspended. So make sure to read it. It's a request that please read it, because many of the users don't read the TikTok policy and run it right away, and due to which the account gets suspended. So make sure to read these all policies. So and the last question is, do we offer old spending ad account? So the answer is yes, we do offer old spending account when the spending ranges from $100 to $1,000. And so you can reach our support team. So how you can find our support? You can find our support through Messenger or Instagram page. So you can reach out to our team. So our team will guide you how you can get old spending ad account. So these are all of the things which I've explained in details, but you guys can check on your own. And that's the link wajahat.ecommedia.com/international. And also I will put this link in my comment so that it's easier for you guys to start. So let's get started with the with the process we have. So once you have this landing page, so make sure to click any of the button. Maybe it might be join now, it might be get free ad account. So once you click on get free account, so you will be redirected to a landing page similar to this. So make sure you should name it correctly. Maybe I will call it like YouTube testing. Okay, so for the email, make sure to use correct email. So what I will do, I will just use a fake email. Is just not the correct, but you need to make sure you should use correct email. And the password, and that's the important point. Make sure to put the correct phone number, because if you put the incorrect number, it would be difficult for us to create the WhatsApp group. So I will just put a fake number here for just creating, and make sure we have this section as well. So once you click on register, so it will ask you to verify your email. So let's get to the verifying your email. So here we go. So you will find the verify. Once you click on verify now, so boom, here like email is verified. So you are good to go. So what you need to do is like back to login, and I will just log in. And here we go. So you will be assigned with the separate dashboard. So many of the people ask whether we own the ad account, are we admin, or do we own this dashboard or not. So the answer is yes. You are the owner of the dashboard, you have a login, and but please make sure do not share this login to anyone, to maybe to someone, because they might change your password as well. Okay, so that's the verification process. So here you need to put all of the information, correct information. Make sure to put the correct information, because our team will verify it. So after putting the phone number, so you also need to make sure you should put the correct WhatsApp number as well. So in this both section, you can put your WhatsApp number, and you can ignore this part as well, since it's like optional. So that's the mandatory part, like, and the purpose of this is like in order to verify whether you are the owner of the store or not. So what you will need to do, you need to select the platform, maybe Shopify, Wix, WooCommerce, whatever platform you are using. So let's say if we choose the platform like Shopify, we will click on which industry are you using, whether it's e-commerce or service. So let's take an example. Let's say it's e-commerce. So that's the Shopify screenshot. There basically that's a sample. So once let's see what type of screenshot do we need. This type of screenshot we need it, because in this way we can verify you own the Shopify store. So once you put the screenshot, let's say we will put any screenshot here, any screenshot here, and the question arises, what is product URL? So what is product link? The product link is the website URL of the product or services you want to advertise on TikTok. It's very important to only run ads for links that are approved by our team. Promoting unapproved link or restricted product can lead to account suspension or disapproval of your campaign. So make sure you should get your approval first before running any ads. So yeah, so the question is like which product you are selling. So in the product section, as I explained, you need to make sure you should put that link which you want to promote on TikTok. So let's take an example. I'm just taking an example. So just a heads up, just an important note, you can approve your home page, collection page, or your product page as well. What we recommend, what our main priority is to approve your product page, right? So we might approve collection page based on multiple reasons, like it might include some spam products, like some prohibited products which are not allowed by TikTok. So we might reject the product. So for the safe side, you need to make sure you should approve your product page only. So let's take an example. So we will need to copy the link and just paste it. So here's the product link. And what's the target market? So basically the target market is a market like in which market you want to promote. Let's say I want to promote in US, you can choose US. If you want to promote in like Bangladesh, you can choose Bangladesh. If you want to promote in Azerbaijan, you can like choose Azerbaijan. So you need to make sure it should be correctly. If you want to promote your product link to more than one country, so you should make sure to get the approval first. Or you can select more than one country here and get the approval first to avoid account suspension. So once you are done with the target market, so you can click on submit and continue, and boom, and it would say thank you for submission, and it would take like 2 to 3 days, but I would be honest, our team takes like, it will get approved within 24 hours. Sometimes it get approved within an hour, so you don't need to worry about. In case your account get rejected, so make sure you can reach out to our team. So once you can click on this chat box as well, chat icon as well, you're redirected to the messenger where you can chat with my team and they will resolve your problem. So after your account get approved, now the time comes where you need to add funds to your wallet so that you can run your TikTok ads. So there are multiple options available. You can see there's an option like pay fast. I would say is solely for the Pakistani audience, so I would say you should ignore that. For interested customers, what we offer is like credit card, PayPal, Payoneer, USDT, and Air Wallets. So what's my personal recommendation would be to use USDT because the fees is like very low as compared to other platforms. However, you can use Payoneer as well, PayPal, and also attach your credit card. So yeah, in terms of how you can use these payment methods for topping up your account, so here's the simple doc. You can read it, and it's whole process available. But right now what I will walk you through, the process is with the credit card only. So once you click on the click start, so you will be redirected to our doc where all of the options are available. I will guide you and walk you through to the process. So how you can add the credit card is that like once you are at the credit card option, you will need to click on add credit card. Once you click on add credit card, you need to make sure you should add all of the details, and once it is done, you should click on add card, and it will show up like pending status. So you need to make sure you should activate this card, and the purpose of this activation is to verify your card and to make sure the card is legit. And we will also deduct some amount as well in order to verify. So once we move forward, how you can activate your card is by clicking on activate button, and once you click on that, so you can see all of the points are available. Like you will be charged around $0.5 from your credit card, and as I mentioned before, the purpose is to verify your card. And how you can verify is like to click on get activation code, and once you confirm, so here we go, you can receive via SMS, email banking, or iBanking statement, maybe app or web. And don't forget to check your history transaction, or maybe from banking service statement such as Payoneer and other payment methods. And once you receive the code, so you need to click on activate. And how you will receive the code is also mentioned as well. It would be like Ecom D star, and the code would be mentioned. And you should make sure you should copy it and just paste it and click on activate. Once it is done, boom, card activated successfully. And the next step would be to top up your balance, and it's all good. And now you can add funds. You can put any amount, like the minimum top up is around $50, so you can put like $50 or $100, and you can add your fund to the Ecom wallet. And how you can receive the code, here we go. Something similar. So if you have any confusion, you can reach out to us. After adding funds to your Ecom wallet, then here's the final process of creating TikTok ad account. So the step one is you need to create TikTok business account. Just sharing the brief overview that there are two options available. The first option is if you already have TikTok business account, you can just click on connect. And if you want to create new one, you can just create new one. So my recommendation would be to create new one, because like for specifically for Adreach platform, for specifically Adreach TikTok agency account, we recommend to create new business center to avoid any discrepancy. So let's move forward. Click on create new. So yeah, so you can put any email. So right now we will put this email that we have right now. So here you can use any email. So let's say if you use an email for signing up Ecom agency account, so you can use same email for creating TikTok ad account. And once I click on sign up, and I will receive the code. I will just put the code here. Yeah, so once it is done, what I will do, I won't put any details here. I will just close this tab. So once it is done, so you need to make sure to click on connect. So you will be redirected here. So make sure to accept and to mark all of this option and click on accept. And make sure we should have and click on confirm. Yeah, so you authorize us, so yeah, so it will be connected. So after you connect your TikTok business account, so what's the next step is you will need to create your business center. So click on create new. So just name your business center name, and I will select time zone. You can select any. There is no such restrictions. So with the phone number, so the point is many of the people get confused if the people are, if you are guys from maybe Pakistan or some other countries, there might be some countries which are not available. You don't need to worry about. You can select like maybe US and you can put any number. To be honest, that's not a huge requirement, and you can choose any of the industry, your business name, and you will just need to copy paste this link and click on create account. And once it is done, like you have a step 3 where you need to create your ad account. Step 2 was for the business center or your, I would say, business manager. The third process is creating your ad account. You will need to choose your business center name. What should be your account name? Like you can name it any like maybe my brand name. The currency by default would be in USD. You can choose your time zone wherever you want to advertise and click on create new. And once it is done, then boom, like your TikTok account has successfully been created. So like you can see, it's in review. It might take 2 to 5 hours or maybe more to get approved from TikTok, and once it is approved, you will see the approved status here. And once it is done, what you will need to do, you can see the balance is around $51 is in our is in an Ecom wallet. So how you can transfer it once it is approved, you can see the under the action section, it is like add funds. What you will need to do is like click on add funds, and you can easily transfer from Ecom wallet to your ad account. And the minimum balance you can transfer from wallet to your ad account is minimum $10. So yeah, so that's all, and that's the process on how to create TikTok agency account. Is super simple, and in case you have any question, you can reach out to us on Messenger as well, or maybe Go. And also, and the good news is, like once your account get approved, our team will create exclusive WhatsApp group where you can ask any questions you have from our team, maybe related to the agency account or maybe TikTok ads. Our team are always available to help you out. This was our easy method for creating a TikTok agency account. I hope you found this video helpful. To make it easier for you, I will be tagging and pinning the important resources and policies in the description and comment. Please make sure to read them carefully before creating TikTok agency account. If you have any questions or need assistance, do not hesitate to reach out. You can also join our exclusive WhatsApp group for direct support and guidance from our team. Thanks for watching. Let's scale your TikTok advertising the right way.